Uda Aida Edi Sassa Haha Kakka Kakha Gagga Gagga Nga Chacha Chacha Jajja Jajja Niya Tanka Tatta Dadda Tadda Nana Tatta Tatta Dadda Tadda Nana Papa Papa Babba Pabba Mama Yaya Rara Lalla Vava Rara. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will cover 35 akhar, which are the 35 letters of the Gurmukhi script. The 35 akhar covered in this video are written over 7 lines. Each of these 7 lines has 5 letters in it. It's also worth mentioning that the Gurmukhi letters have a fixed sound to letter and letter to sound relationship. So what that means is that the words in Gurmukhi are written exactly how they are pronounced and pronounced exactly how they are written. And that's what's really unique about the Gurmukhi script of Punjabi. As long as you have your pronunciation right, those words are then written in the exact same way they are pronounced. The first line has Uda Aida Edi Sassa Haha. Line 2 has Kakka Kakha Gagga Gagga Nga. Line 3 has Chacha Chacha Jajja Jajja Niya. Line 4 is Tanka Tatta Dadda Tadda Nana. Line 5 is Tatta Tatta Dadda Tadda Nanna. Line 6 is Papa Papa Babba Babba Mama. And the last line, line 7 is Yaya Rara Lalla Vava Rada. Uda Aida Edi Sassa Haha. Kakka Kakha Gagga Gagga Nga. Chacha Chacha Jajja Jajja Niya. Tanka Tatta Dadda Tadda Nana. Tatta Tatha Dadda Tadda नन्ना, पप्पा, पप्पा, बब्बा, पब्बा, मम्मा, यैया, रारा, लल्ला, वावा, राड़ा,